Presenting Oppo A78 5G smartphone. It is also available in glowing blue and glowing black color. Built with 8GB RAM, expandable up to 8GB, and 128GB ROM, which is expandable up to 1TB. Designed with Oppo Glow 6.56-inch color-rich display with 90Hz refresh rate and large screen-to-body ratio of 89.8% gives you a color-rich visual experience. Capture your moments with crystal-clear details with AI camera setup, 50MP plus 2MP rear camera and 8MP front camera. It is powered by ColorOS 13 for delivering a super smooth experience. The dual ultra-linear stereo speakers with ROST and flagship hardware produce an immersive sound effect. Experience the best battery life with 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts SuperVooc charging. The box includes the handset, adapter and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.